Aquapol is a specially formulated high-performance roof coating containing fibers. Aquapol is applied straight from the can in single-coat application for the repair and refurbishment of failed industrial and domestic roofs. Aquapol can be used in damp conditions to instantly repair leaking roofs, leaving vulnerable areas watertight for peace of mind to home or building owners. Aquapol can be applied to most substrates directly without the need of a primer. It can be installed quick and easily with a brush or squeegee at a recommended coverage rate of up to 1 to 2 kilograms per meter squared, equating to 1 to 2 millimeters thickness. The integral fiber reinforcement within Aquapol will bridge small gaps and cracks on damaged substrates. It forms a strong yet flexible continuous membrane. It is important to ensure any loose moss or debris is removed from the substrate first. Then Aquapol can be applied directly to most substrates including asphalt, roofing felt, cement, asbestos, metal, lead, bituminous roof coatings, gutters, etc. Aquapol has a long shelf life in tightly sealed containers. Always reseal container after using to ensure longevity. Aquapol comes in standard grey colour that has superb solar reflective properties. However, it is also available in black, white and red tile.